Hello everybody, I'm Sanjeev, and in today's video I will discuss about articles, one of the important chapters of English grammars with rules and examples. The three words a, and the are called articles. Using article correctly is one of the difficult points in English grammar. Articles can be divided into two categories: indefinite articles and definite articles. Indefinite articles include a and, whereas definite articles include the. A and an are called indefinite articles because they are used to refer to people and things in general sense. Indefinite means identifiable in general. A and an convey the meaning of one. Let's see some examples. In this very example, I saw a boy. A boy means one boy. Johnson is reading a book. Here, a book simply means one book. It does not clarify which book. Definite articles, on the other hand, include the, as already mentioned. The is called definite article because it is used to refer to particular people and things. Definite means that a noun is particularly identifiable. The conveys the meaning of this, that, these, those. Let's see the examples. I saw the boy. In this very statement, the boy means that boy, that particular boy. In the second example, the books were brought yesterday. Here, the books means those books. Let's see the use of indefinite articles at first. So, let's begin with the use of indefinite article a. We use the indefinite article a with singular noun in front of singular noun, countable noun, and noun with consonant sound. Or let's say, the use of the indefinite article a depends on three conditions. They are: the noun has to be singular, countable, and the noun must have consonant sound. In this very example, William has a brother. In front of this very noun, we say a because brother is singular, only one. It is countable, and brother has consonant sound. When we say brother, the is the consonant sound. Similarly, in the second example, in front of kite, we are using a because kite is singular and countable. Moreover, it also has the consonant sound ka. In this very use, the third condition is very, very important for the students to remember. That is, a is used before a noun with consonant sound. Let's little bit elaborate it. A is used before a noun that begins with a vowel letter but with a consonant sound. Vowel letter are A, E, I, O, U. Generally, what happens is when students see the vowel letters A, E, I, O, U, they fall in the temptation of using the article an. But that's not the case because there are some words which begin with vowel letter but they have consonant sound. For instance, in front of you, a uniform, a one-eyed man, a useful item, a university student. What is very noticeable here is all these words, be it you, uniform, one-eyed, useful, or university, they begin with vowel letter, but all these words have consonant sound. Therefore, we are using the indefinite article a in front of them. So what we should see in the use of a or an is the sound, not the letter. Similarly, a is used before a noun that before a is used before an abbreviation that begins with these letters like V, C, D, Z, J, K, P, Q, T, U, V, W, Y, Z, because these letters have consonant sound. By abbreviation here we mean the short form. For instance, in front of BA student, in front of BA, that is Bachelor in Arts, we are using the article a. Similarly, in front of VIP, very important person, the indefinite article a is used because B and V, both of them have a consonant sound. Now, moving forward, where is the indefinite article an used? Like earlier, we had seen in the case of a, an also demands three conditions to be used. They are, it is used before a singular noun, before a countable noun, and before a noun with vowel sound. These three conditions are must to use and before a noun. As seen in the example, in front of apple, we are using an because apple has vowel sound, it is singular, and it is also countable. And same rule applies in the case of orange too. The third condition, noun with vowel sound, is something very interesting to further explore it. So let's see it. An is used before a noun that begins with a consonant letter but with a vowel sound. Generally, we notice H. H is a consonant letter, but in many of the words, H is silent, like our, honest, higher, and honorable person. So in front of these words, we do not go for a, rather we go for an because these words have a vowel sound. Similarly, an is also used before an abbreviation that begins with these letters E, F, H, I, L, M, N, O, R, S, X, because such abbreviation has vowel sounds. For instance, my sister is an MA student. MA, A sound we have. So MA, it has vowel sound. My brother works in an FM station. So in both these examples, MA, Masters in Art, and FM, frequency modulation, in both these examples, MA and FM, they are the abbreviations having the vowel sound. Therefore, the article un is used before them. Now, what about the definite article the? One thing here students should consider is or an is used with singular countable nouns, but the definite article the can be used with singular and plural, countable nouns, and uncountable nouns too. Let's see the examples. The boy in blue dress is my brother. In this very example, in front of boy, we are using the, and here boy is singular countable noun. Let's see one more example. The girls are laughing. Here in front of girls, the is used, and girls are plural countable nouns. Whereas in the third example, the water in the bottle is poisonous. Water is uncountable noun. So let's try to summarize the use of the with the examples. We use the before unique objects like the moon, the sun, the sky, before the religious books, of Christianity, the Bible, Hinduism, the Quran, Islam religion, the Quran, Hindu religion, the Gita, I beg your pardon, Islamic religion, the Quran. Similarly, before ordinal numbers like the first, the last, the sixth, the second. Similarly, before newspaper, the Kantipur, the Rising Nepal, the Himalayan Times, the New York Times. Similarly, before the musical instruments, the guitar, the flute. Similarly, before the superlatives, the tallest tower, the longest river, the most difficult problem. Before rivers, seas, and oceans like the Kosi, the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Sea, similarly before the deserts, the Gobi deserts, the Sahara deserts, before the historical buildings and monuments like the Singha Darbar, the Taj Mahal, the Statue of Liberty, before the position or post like the principal, the peon, the prime minister, similarly before the adjectives representing the whole class like the poor, the rich, the deaf. Similarly, before four directions and two poles, the east, the west, the north, the south, uh, and the north pole and the south pole, before the inventions, the radio, the mobile, the computers, were historical events or days like the Democracy Day, the Independence Day, the Martyrs Day, the Children's Day, before the political parties like the Nepali Congress, the Communist, the Republican, before the whole families or family names like the Nirolas, the Mughals, the Ranas, the Gurus, before the physical positions too. For instance, like the left, the right, the top, the bottom, mountain ranges like the Himalayas, the Alps, the Rockies, in front of the period of history like the Renaissance, the modern age, the medieval period, before the famous hotels, the Yak and Yeti, the Salty Hotel, the Annapurna, before the day breaks, like parts of the day, in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. Along with the use of the zero articles is also important chapter. What do zero articles mean? Zero articles refer to the absence of a definite or indefinite articles before a noun. We do not use articles in the following context before proper nouns. For instance, in front of the name of person, a country, particular place, like no article before Raju, Nepal, Mechi, Asia. Before games and sports, cricket, football, kabaddi, you don't use article. Before days and months, Sunday, Tuesday, January, Baisakh. Before language and subjects, English, Hindi, biology, no articles. Before illness or diseases, I died of, like my friend died of cancer, no articles. He is suffering from AIDS, no articles. Yesterday I could not come to college because I was suffering from fever, no articles. Before colors, I love red, pink, yellow, no articles. Before a single mountain, this is something very important for students to remember. In front of the range of Himalayas, we use the definite article da, but if the mountain is just single, we do not go for any article. For instance, Mount Everest is the highest peak of Nepal. Last year I went and climbed up Kanchenjunga, no articles. Similarly, before abstract nouns, everybody loves honesty, honesty, no articles. Everybody loves kindness, kindness, no article. Similarly, before meals, let's go to have dinner, no articles in front of dinner, breakfast, lunch. Similarly, before streets and lake, like let's meet in New Road in front of New Road, no article. I will see you in Darbar Marg, no articles. Even in front of Hewal, in front of lakes too, you do not use article. Again, important thing for you to remember is like in front of river, ocean, seas, we go for the article da, but in front of lakes, we do not. For instance, last year, I went to Pokhara to see Fewa Lake. In front of Fewa Lake, you are not using any articles. Now, let's see some more exercises which are a bit tricky and which are also important at the same time from this perspective of using a, an, or the. Yes, it is true that we do not use articles in front of illnesses or diseases, as already said. For instance, Dr. Smith visits schools and universities to educate students on AIDS. One can notice there is no articles, and in front of cancer also no articles, in front of malaria also no articles. But having said that, obviously there are certain exceptions regarding which one has to be very careful. There are some exceptions as said, in front of which we use the article the measles, the flu, the mumps, the bubonic plague. If we see the illnesses like measles, flu, mumps, and this one, then obviously one has to select the article the. Similarly, there are some illnesses in front of which, before which, one is supposed to use the article a. For instance, I was suffering from a headache, a toothache, he is suffering from a cold, I got a heart attack, a stroke. Next question is, what about the articles in front of directions? East, west, north, and south. Which articles do we use? When we were reading the article the, then we said that in front of 4 directions and 2 poles, we are supposed to use the, but again there are certain exceptions. Let's see. If there comes prepositions in front of directions, then we should use the. For example, the sun rises in the east. East is the directions, but one can notice the preposition in, therefore we are using the article the. Similarly, we need to walk to the south. South is the directions, and in front of directions there is the preposition to, therefore the has been used. But if there is no preposition but just verbs before the direction, then no articles are used. For example, they drove north all day. North is the direction, and before north there is the verb drove, therefore article has not been used. Similarly, in the next example, we need to walk south. Again, one can notice the verb only, walk. Before direction, there is no any preposition, and therefore we are not using any article in front of direction south. One more thing is, if direction refers to certain geographical areas, then we should go for the. For example, the west is more advanced than the east. In this example, the west refers to Europe, the east obviously refers to this side of the world where we are living. What about the countries? Since countries fall under the category of proper nouns, we do not use articles in front of countries. For instance, I live in Nepal, but again there are certain exceptions. If countries contain a word such as states, kingdom, republic, emirates, union, coast, etc., then we use the article the. For example, I live in United States of America. My sister lives in the United Kingdom. My brother is living in the Republic of Korea. And similarly, if there are countries which are like island chains, then again we go for the Netherlands, the Maldives, the West Indies, the Philippines. Obviously, in front of this, in front of the name, in front of this abbreviation of the countries like United States of America, USA, UK, UAE, again we should use the article the. What about the musical instrument? We use definite article the before musical instrument. He is playing the guitar, but again there is an exception. We have to use a or an in front of musical instrument if the musical instrument is not in use. Look at these 2 examples. He is playing the guitar is in use. So if the musical instrument is in use, the is used before the musical instrument, and if it is not in use, simply indefinite articles depending upon the sound a or an is used. So use is very important. If it is in use, the. If musical instrument is not in use, a or an. Finally, this brings us to the end of today's video. If you enjoyed watching the video, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.